Let's go. Yeah.
Primera, la segunda,
One time, and then one time. Deleted your number and threw my phone into the street. Live on the 26th floor, I'll move out in a week. Got your fucking clothes hanging up, writing the beats. Can't get a single thought across without feeling weak. Swear it's like the hardest part to throw the memories away. All these fucking online posts hemorrhaging me. I don't really have the heart to go through this again. My emotions don't exist no more, so I just pretend. I don't really understand the generation we in. We just break up and fucking post pictures again. We were never really happy when we posted those pictures, but I can't remember bad times now. It's ridiculous.
Se metió para adentro, me parece.
When everyone you thought you knew deserts your fight, I'll go with you. You're facing down a dark hall. I'll grab my light and go with you. I'll 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 go with you.
Yeah, back in the DAY, all I did was get high. Me and the homies getting faded, skipping class 7 is high. I was just a youngin' with my whole life in front of me. A whole lot of partying and then driving around drunkenly. I probably guess a lot hasn't changed, but in my brain, still trying to maintain while doing my own thing. With the money on my mind now, I'm getting mine now. You talking shit, don't let me find out.
'Cause I'm up now, I'm so high if you're hating. I don't mind, you're just wasting your time, 'cause I'm getting mine, yeah, I'm getting mine.
And for them haters, I ain't got the patience to deal with them ignoramus statements you be making. Call me impatient, bitch, I'm laying, I ain't hating, I'm on one. I ain't tripping, I got funds. Put that payment on that BM and then drove into the sun. What you want? Switch from rum to JMO, sailboat and a bottle. Get my dick sucked on the way home, it feels like I won the lotto. I'm impossible to